Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing how I made this beautiful rose without any tools. So if you don't have any flower cutter, you can try this out and enjoy it. If this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new videos, so that if I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Feel free to ask questions. Let's start. I'll be using my gum paste. I've already prepared this gum paste earlier before now, so I'll be putting the link on my description box below in case you don't know how to prepare gum paste, so you can also watch the video. Gum paste is very easy to work with and is always firm and easy to dry out. Try this recipe, and the recipe is so easy to make, so feel free to try it. You'll thank me later. I'm using water to gum my petals together. Please like my video, encourage me by liking this video. Just give me some thumbs up. It's very, very important so that other people will be able to see this video and enjoy it as well. So if you have not liked my video, feel free to click on the like button. Feel free to share this video, and also feel free to ask questions, comment. And if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos. Seriously, subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I post new video, you will get an alert. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.